Hello, my name is Bernie with Aerodynamics HVAC, and I'm here to talk to you about what to do when your air conditioner freezes over. The first thing I'd like to discuss is the difference between an air conditioner and a heat pump. That box that sits outside with a fan on it that runs, that a lot of people consider their air conditioner, could also be your heat pump. A heat pump is very similar to an air conditioner, but just reverses the refrigeration cycle to provide heat to the indoor coil. One of the reasons I want to explain the difference between an air conditioner and a heat pump, because it is normal for a heat pump to frost up from time to time. A heat pump has what's called a defrost cycle on it. The system will notice that the coils are starting to frost up, and it'll run a defrost cycle and defrost the outdoor unit's coils. During that time, you might notice a little bit of moisture, or lack of a better term, steam that'll rise from the unit as the fan shuts off. Once the unit completely thaws out, it'll then get back to its normal operation. Now for an air conditioner, that's going to be a little bit of a different situation. You should never have ice or any type of freezing over on an air conditioning system. The reason you may notice some ice or your system freezing up on an air conditioning system could be a few different reasons. One, you may have lack of airflow to your indoor system. Two, you could have a low refrigerant charge. Three, you could have a clogged coil or a clogged air filter. These are all things you're going to want to check if you notice a system freezing over or any ice on the coils. Some of the things I would recommend for you to do if you do notice ice on your indoor or outdoor system and it's not a heat pump application, we strongly suggest that you would shut the system off and call your local professional or us at Aerodynamics HVAC to come diagnose what the issue is. There could be a lot of damage caused to your system if you continue to operate while the system is frozen over. Some people question if it's normal to see any ice around their outdoor unit. Although the unit's job is to cool the home, you should never notice ice on your air conditioning system. You should not notice ice outside on the air conditioning system, nor should you notice it inside at the evaporator coil. Some of the things you can do to prevent your system from freezing up will be changing your filter as the manufacturer recommends and having a professional come out to provide maintenance to your system annually. We normally recommend for a residential system to have a maintenance provided twice a year, once for heating and once for cooling. If you have any questions about this video or about your air conditioner or frost or freezing up, please drop a comment below and we'll do our best to answer that in our next video.